Okay, we can start now. Sorry.
Hi, everyone. My name is Sabrina, and I'm excited to introduce Gabriella. Gabriella and I have had the opportunity to get to know each other and work together over the past several months. Throughout our journey, Gabriella has shown a passion for STEM and web development in particular. She was always eager to learn and experiment with new concepts, even if they didn't always turn out as expected. It has been a delight to watch Gabriella's progress, and I'm excited for what she has to share. With that, I'll turn it over to Gabriella so she can walk you through her project.
Hi, I'm Gabriella, and I created a website, Ally Recipes. Is it slide? Next. Oh, thanks. So my mentor, Sabrina, works in cybersecurity in Clear, and she protects the company from like hackers or people from her own company who want to like steal information or like want to cause harm to the company. She's from Lawrence, and now she lives in Manhattan, and her hobbies are skiing, reading, and hiking. Next. Okay, so my project, Ally Recipes, is a website that provides specific recipes based on your like dietary restriction or like dietary needs. And so this topic matters to me because I have allergies and I like struggle with finding recipes that are like accommodating to my allergies. And I don't think anyone should have to struggle with this. And also I chose this project because I wanted to learn more about web development. So in order to create the website, I learned HTML, which is code that like helps you build the foundation of the website, and CSS, which is like a design element, and JavaScript, which is like for functionality, and GitHub, which is hosting my website. Next. Okay, so my experience in magic. So my favorite thing was like applying what I learned and like watching everything come to life. And something like I learned is that like I have to be okay with like changing directions. So like originally I thought I'd be like using Codecademy to learn this, but it wasn't working for me. So instead I started to use like W3 Schools and like YouTube videos to learn the code. Next.
It's Ally Recipes, and it's a website that provides recipes according to your specific diet.
Do you want me to? I can mute it and you can talk over it.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Let me start again.
Okay, so this is my website, Ally Recipes, and it's a website that provides recipes based on your allergies or like restrictions. So I'm hosting it on GitHub, and you could visit at allyrecipes123.gov.io. So this is my like homepage, which has like a brief introduction of the website, and I have a navigation bar, which has like the various recipes I've included. So if I click on like gluten, I'm presented with like a bunch of recipes that are free from gluten, and the same goes for all the other allergens up there. And yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Oh.
You have some questions.
Oh, right. Okay.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Gabriella. Are there any questions from the audience, either over Zoom or?
I have a question. That was wonderful. Congratulations. And I would love to use this website. I was wondering if you could add any more features. Do you have any ideas for things you'd add?
Oh, so yeah, if I want to like, so for adding features to the website, I plan to add more. So I want to add like more options for like more recipes and options for each like allergen. I want to add more allergens, and maybe not just like allergens, just like nutritious choices and like different like things that you could different like, yeah.
Very cool. Thanks.
Wonderful. Are there any other?
Oh, I didn't know you were here. I'm listening to this presentation in school.
Could people mute the ones who are not speaking? Can they please mute themselves? And I also, that was a really nice piece of work. And the question I had is, I loved your design. How did you pick that design? It's so not in the face. It's the kind of website you want to go and actually read because it's so easy to read. How did you pick that design?
So I discovered like different fonts you can use in CSS, and also I made a background on Canva and I added it in my backgrounds of the website, and then I just like changed fonts and colors like to make it more like appealing. And yeah.
Great job. Thank you.
Yeah.
Gabriella, I have a question. There's a comment in the chat over Zoom that the website feels like a cookbook. So I'm kind of stealing from that comment, but did you test these recipes? And if so, do you have a favorite?
No, I didn't test the recipes, but I found them online and looked at the reviews and they were all good. So
Oh, okay. All right. Are there any questions in the classroom? Okay, great.